All right. Okay. Listen, there's a lag in the turbine. It's not like EDF. Watch this. Here. There, you go full throttle, and then see how long it takes. See that?
So there's a curve. Yeah. Okay.
So you just got to be cognizant of that.
Okay.
And fly it. No high G turns. Get used to it. Don't go to idle too much. Just go around.
Yeah, keep it okay.
Okay.
All right.
Pick it up. Let's go. I'll take off, put the wheels up, and then I'll just...
Will the gear stay up if you when it switches back and forth?
That's a good point. We'll see.
Okay.
I didn't test that. That's a good point.
If so, which gear on this is it?
It's this one. Right?
Okay.
Whoops.
Don't do it while you're flying. Yeah. I got it though.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yep. So if the gear come down, I know what one to hit.
Yeah, just hit that one.
Okay.
Tony, don't go up yet, okay? Don't fly yet, please. Let me finish and then you go up.
Yes, we're waiting for you.
Okay, thank you. Great. Okay, let's go. Okay, my gear's up.
Okay.
All right, I'm at half throttle.
Okay.
I'm going to do the circuit, come back over here, and give you the aircraft.
Okay.
Don't go that far out.
No, I won't.
You'll
I'll keep it close.
Okay. All right. No sudden turns. Let's get used to the aircraft. Ready?
Yep.
Your aircraft.
Okay.
Is you trimming?
No.
Right aileron, or is that you?
That's just me. I'm just making sure I had control.
All right. Is this flyer? Yeah. Right rudder, bring the nose down. Right rudder. Yeah, into the turn. Okay. All right. Just do
Is there any coupling at all with this thing? Does it need?
No.
Okay.
It's all you. Whatever happens, it's all you. You have a gyro on.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay, bring it a little lower so we both see it.
I will.
Yeah.
A little closer. I'm just trying to figure out how it flies first.
Yeah, that's fine. Looks like the gear's staying up.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't give you gear control in the program.
Okay, so that's fine.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
It's like an EDF.
Yeah, it's no different.
It really is.
Just a little bit of a lag on the
Yeah.
on the turbine. If you keep it spooled, that should be all right.
Yeah. So you got about 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes of flight.
I'll come a little lower on this one. Is that all
That's
right?
fine, yeah. A little more turbine, a little more power.
Going up.
Going up. Okay.
I come downwind. Is that all right?
Yeah. You fly like you fly your EDF. Just a little bit less G's in the turn until you get used to it. That's all.
That's fine. I won't bank and yank yet.
Yeah. Just like you're flying the FA2.
Yeah, no different, except it's got a little roar behind it.
Yeah. It's cool, roar.
Man, you tricked me. I didn't know you were going to do this.
Yeah. I figured if I told you, you'd get all shaky. Didn't want to give me a chance.
Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. I appreciate it, though. This is cool.
So we'll let you go for another minute and change.
Going up again.
That's okay. Yeah, it'll go up. It'll keep on going.
Nice. I noticed.
Yeah.
Cool. It flies just like anything else.
Yeah,
No
it really
different.
does. Are the controls okay for you?
Yeah, everything's fine. The sticks are a little low on this radio for me, but I can deal with it. Very cool.
in a turn, if you're going to go low on turbine, put in the appropriate rudder to keep the nose
Right.
going down.
Right,
Otherwise-
right. I noticed that it needs to keep the nose down,
Yeah.
pointing down. Whoa, hello, goose.
Oh yeah. I'll take it over from you in about 30 seconds. or
Okay,
so.
just when you're ready, just take it.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah, just hang it. I don't want to disconnect in flight. I don't know.
Tell me when you're ready to take it. You can
Yeah.
take it anytime.
Just come on back and.
Okay.
Okay, my air.
All right, go ahead. You got it?
Yeah, so, yeah. Just hang around here with me. So
Yeah, no worries.
I don't want to disconnect the thing in
No,
flight.
keep flying. I'll leave the throttle at half just in
What's my
case.
timer read about?
I can't see. I've got polarized glasses.
Oh, no, about 120. Okay, time to land.
Is there a delay on the gear when you make them go down on this?
It's electric, so it just goes down very slow.
Okay. There you go. Still good.
Brakes. Brakes. Turn around. Come on back.
Cool.
Okay.
Very cool. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky.
I figure why not.
That was fun though, thank you. I like that kind of surprise.
Well, really, this was only to make sure that my buddy box is working.
Yeah, it's working.
Where you kill the turbine is throttle low. I'll give you control. Trim all the way low. Ready? All the way low. There you go. Cool. That's how you do
Very cool.
it. Okay.
Thank you,
Just
sir.
unplug that. Thank you. Cool. All right. Yeah, just put it on top.
Very much
Now you can go
appreciated.
back to your,
Now I can
electric
go back to the electric stuff. I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. Very sneaky guy. So does it cool off the turbine on its own?
Yeah. So there's a